Do you want to learn Latvian language? So let's start with Latvian alphabet and pronunciation. And the first question you probably want to ask me, how many letters are in Latvian alphabet? Luckily, only 33. It is extremely easy to learn Latvian alphabet because it comes from Latin alphabet. And if you are watching this video, you probably already know it. So grab pen and paper and let's begin. In this video, you will learn first 11 letters. And the first letter, it is A. The sound is A and pronunciation is A, as in a word upbringing. And the way how you write letter A, it is big letter you write like this. And the small letter, it's written like this. You will learn two words in Latvian language with the word A. First is as. It is written exactly as in English word S. But in Latvian, as means spicy. When you eat some spicy curry or you put too much chili, red pepper or black pepper, and you are like, oh my god, it's so as. Viņš ir tik as. I need some water. So the word, it is as for spicy. The second word beginning with A, it is aši, which means in Latvian language, quickly or quick. When you need to do something fast, quick, at the moment, you would say aši, aši, bring something to me, aši. The second letter in Latvian alphabet, it is A, as in the word smart. So long A, it's very similar to the first A, just a bit longer sound, smart. You don't say smart, you say smart. Yes. And the big letter A is written like this, exactly the same as A, just with a long line on top, and the small letter is written like this. And you will learn two words with A, ara, which means outside, when someone is outside, or like fresh air is outside, where she is ara. And the second word is ātrums. Ātrums or speed. So when you want to say how fast you were driving or what speed someone had in their cycling mode, you would say word ātrums. The third letter in Latvian alphabet, it is B or B. So the letter itself named B, but the sound what it makes, it is B, as in the word boy. The big letter is written like this, and the small one is written like this. Or you can also write the B if you have something else like that. The word būt means to be or not to be, būt or nebūt, būt. And the second word is but. In English it is but in Latvian it is bet. The fourth letter in Latvian alphabet, it is C, or the way how you would pronounce when you read this letter, it is C, as in the word tsunami. Letter C is written like this, and the small written like that. If you want to ask in Latvian language how much, you would say cik. If you would like to know the price, you would say cena. What is the price? Kāda ir cena? Cik tas maksā? Cena. The fifth letter in Latvian alphabet, it is č. And pronunciation is č. Exactly as in word chicken. Letter ch, the big letter is written like this, and the small one exactly the same way as c, just with a little bird on the top. And you will learn two words today in Latvian language beginning with ch, which are čau, which means hi and bye in Latvian. If you want to learn fast way to say hi, this is the one, čau, and bye-bye is čau. If you want to come and call someone, hey dude, you would say čalis. it will be referred mostly to a males or a guys rather than females, so it is chalice. The sixth letter in Latvian alphabet, it is D. Or the way how you read it, it is D. As in word darkness. Letter D, the big one is written like this, and the small one, it is written like this. Two words for today, diena, which means day, and darbs, which is work. The seventh letter in Latvian alphabet, it is E. So the name of the letter, it is E, and the sound what it makes, it's E. As in word entertainment, the big letter E is written like this, and the small one is written like a normal E. And you will learn two words starting with E, S or I, and esmu or am. I am, es esmu. I am Victoria, es esmu Victoria. The eighth letter in Latvian alphabet, it is E or garais E, which means long E. As in the word bad, you don't say bad, you say he's bad, or the drink is bad. The letter E is written like this, the big one, and the small one exactly as simple E, the long E or garais E is written with a long line on top. And you will learn two words, ert, which means comfortable, and ezelis, which is donkey. The ninth letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter F, or the sound what it makes, F. So when you read it, you would just say favorite, F. Letter F or F is written like this. And the small one is written like that. And you will learn two words starting with F. Fui, which means phew, where you don't like something, you like phew, or in Latvian it is fui. And exactly opposite, which is forši, when something is so cool and you want to say, yes, it was thick, it was so cool, forši. The 10th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is ga. The pronunciation is g, just g as in the word garden. Letter G is written like this, so the big G is written like that, and the small one like this. And you will learn today two words, starting with letter G, guys, which means air, and govs, which is cow, moo. And the 11th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is D or D. Letter D is written exactly as G, just with a bird on top. The big letter is written like this, and the small one like this. And you will learn two words, which is ģimene or family, ģitāra or a guitar. If you know how to play ģitāra, would be great. So well done, this is the first video, part 1 on Latvian alphabet, and you have learned it. Wow! Let's start from beginning to the end so we can memorize it. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, and D. Well done! If you feel like you conquered all those words and you repeat them many times so you can actually remember them, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I will leave the link below to the next part 2 or second video so you can learn next 11 letters in Latvian alphabet.